Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about Shareasale versus Awin. It will be a detailed comparative analysis, so without much ado, let's get straight to the video. So in the dynamic marketplace of affiliate marketing, Shareasale and Awin stands out as two substantial platforms, each wielding its own set of benefits and challenges. On one side, Shareasale presents itself as a user-friendly and straightforward platform attracting businesses and affiliates due to its simplicity and robust network. While on the other hand, Awin establishes itself as a powerhouse boasting extensive reach and a versatile array of tools that cater to both small and large-scale businesses. Moving forward, if I tell you about the key features of Awin, drive traffic and grow your e-commerce sales, reach new customers in online communities you may not currently have access to, an inbuilt recommended partner tool gets you started with affiliate marketing, low, affordable monthly fees, and control over the commission paid to partners. Track all partners' transactions and payment in one place. Moving on, if I tell you about the key features of Shareasale, upload product directly to Shareasale, Awin, CJ, and Rakuten. Automatic daily sync of product data feed on Shareasale, Awin, and CJ. 5-minute installation and setup process for automated affiliate product feeds. Get help when you need it through one-on-one consultation. Moving on, if I talk about user experience, Shareasale users often admire its ease of use and intuitive design, making it particularly appealing for beginners. It's kind of like a friendly neighborhood shop where you can easily find what you need. Awin, however, can be viewed as a large departmental store where the vast array of options and analytical depth caters to more experienced marketers. While Awin does offer a lot, it might seem somewhat complex for newbies trying to navigate through the extensive features and data. Moving on, if I talk about pricing, Awin is free to join but 30% network fee, whereas on the other hand, Shareasale costs from $25 to $650 per month. Moving on, in this, I'll tell you about the pros and cons of Shareasale. Starting with the pros, simple approval process for new affiliates as they approve users within 48 to 72 hours. There's a wide array of programs to join. Payouts are always on time. And if I talk about the cons, 50% minimum payout threshold for affiliates, the design of the website is somewhat out of date. Moving on to pros and cons of Awin, the pros are it's the most popular affiliate network, it's free to register, and 240,000 affiliate partners. While on the other hand, the cons or the con of Awin is the 30% network fee. Moving on, feature comparisons of Awin, international reach, cross-device customer tracking, strategic partner management, and advanced reporting. These are the feature comparisons of Awin, and if we move forward and talk about the feature comparisons of Shareasale, diversity of features, integrations, easy to use, and customer support. These are the key features of Shareasale. And if we compare the user reviews of both of these, Awin had 800 plus client reviews with an overall rating of 2.9 stars out of 5. Whereas on the other hand, Shareasale had only 60% client reviews with an overall rating of 2.7 stars out of 5. Based on its overall popularity, Awin takes place here. Conclusion, which one is the best choice? Now, Awin will be the best choice for you if you want a larger and broader international reach in your affiliate network. And Shareasale will be the best for you if you're looking for an affiliate network that has easy to use interface, low cost fees, and Shareasale will be more suitable for you in that case. However, if you want your things to be easy and clear, then I would again say Shareasale is the one for you. However, if your business needs lots of detailed information about sales, more features, and want to reach more people around the globe, Awin might be the better choice. Personally, I would recommend Shareasale because of its ease of use and less pricing. Because as a newbie affiliate marketer, you'll probably need a place which is easy to use. There's no complex operations involved. And the most important feature, the pricing. So in that case, for me, as an affiliate marketer, I started with Shareasale. So that's why I would recommend it over Awin. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.